Hello everyone, welcome to the reading for Tuesday, the 9th of February. And let us see what the tarot guidance tells us today. Wow, there's a card that has dropped, and this is that card that flung out while I was shuffling. And let's see which is the other guidance. Fabulous. How does it get any better than this? Can you see this amazing cards? Can you see what's come up for today? The Two of Lovers, the month of love. This is February, and this is all about partnerships. Partnership in your relationship, personal life, a lover coming your way, or partnership in work. Whatever it is, the universe is giving it to you with full love and glory and ease. Be open, be in awareness, and see what comes up in terms of your relationship. So all who are probably waiting to be proposed, maybe this is the time that you surely will. A lover is for sure coming in your life if he's not there. And if you are in a relationship, this card also shows that it is only going to strengthen up. The partnership is only going to get better and better. It always takes two to tango. So here it is, the two of you making the most of this amazing relationship. It also talks about maybe your twin heart relationship, maybe your twin flame relationship. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful card for this amazing day talking about love. This also means that you have to attract the love by feeling the love for your own self. And when you do that, you will have greener pastures all for you. You will have the happiness of the home and the earth. You will have amazing partnership with equal frequency or higher frequency people. The universe is always there guiding you, bringing in light, bringing in love, having two cupfuls. This is the cup card, actually, the two cup full. So your life is going to be full of amazing emotions, amazing opportunities, full of love, care, and nurturing. Beautiful. And who is going to create it all? Of course, you, the magician. That's why the magician card has come. As we always say, we are magical. You are magical. Know that you are being provided by the universe all times, all the elements, including the wand, which means work opportunities or any kind of possibilities and opportunities coming your way. You are connected with Father Sky and Mother Earth. You are given the cup full of emotions, full of whatever it is that you want to create. It's all here. It's all about the heart. You are given the pentacle, which means money and abundance coming in. And you are also given the sword by the universe to cut all cords and ties that do not contribute into your life anymore. This is all about abundance. This is all about new beginnings. The color red, the color green, the color yellow, the color white, all archangels colors are right here guiding you, knowing that everything is infinite because you are an infinite being. You are that magician. You can create it all. Time and again they are telling us that we are the creators. Come on, let's accept it, be in allowance, go ahead and create everything with the magic that the universe has already provided you. Be the magician in your own life and spread that magic. Let everyone else see your magic and then become the magic that you truly are. They will also see you and become that. Go be the positive light in someone's life. Go be that positive leader, the positive team member, the positive member of your family. Whatever it is that you want to touch and make it magical, go ahead, spread that magic. So on that note, with these two beautiful cards for today, I leave you with lots of love and magic. Be the magical self, and I will see you soon.